In today's video, I am going to show you the super trend indicator strategy, and I am combining the super trend indicator strategy with the EMA. So when you combine these two, you are going to have a very high win rate. The success rate of this indicator strategy is about 90%, and I am going to also show you a bar replay mode. So I will be backtesting it and you will see everything, whether it is a strategy that you are willing to use for your intraday day trading strategy, or you can even use it for scalping or for swing trading. If you want to start using this indicator, simply go to tradingview.com. So if you have TradingView, if you don't have, the registration is free. So on your TradingView, you go under indicators. This is where the indicators are located. So you click on the indicators and you are going to search for the super trend indicator. So super trend. So super trend indicator, when you type, there are many of those ones that are coming up. So all I am interested in is the super trend, this one without anything, the standard, the super trend indicator, this particular indicator. There are other ones associated here where some people have combined it with several things, but I am just using the super trend indicator, just like that. So you click on it. I have clicked on it and it has been added. The next thing we need to do is to add our EMA, that's moving average exponential. So I am going to the same indicators again. You click on it and you will type moving average exponential. So this is it. You will click on it. Once you click on it, it gets added to your chart. So this is how it is. Now you need to edit the settings of your moving average. So the exponential moving average, we are going to edit the settings. You can double click on it 2 times. It appears like this. Initially it can come up with just the 9 period, so you will first see it like this, but then you will edit to 200. So we are going to use the 200 EMA plus our super trend indicator. So we are going to use these two indicators to help us to know when we will take a trade. Now our super trend indicator is set, our 200 EMA is also set. So what we are going to do next is to look out for when to buy and when to sell, and we will take our entry. So in order to do that, I will show you on a bar replay mode so that you can see how it is done in a live market. So I will switch over to my bar replay mode. So we are there now at the bar replay mode, and even in the bar replay mode, I have already set everything the same way I just showed you on TradingView. Over here you can see we have 200 EMA, we have our super trend indicator. I am not altering any of the settings, so I left it at the 10 period and 3. So how are we going to note when are we to take and when are we not to take? So this is what we will be doing. I'm going to enlarge everything for you. So we have these up arrows telling us when to buy, and we have the down arrow that is red telling us when to sell. So you can see we have other arrows as well, they keep popping up. This is it again, is telling us to sell. What we are going to do is we will only buy, we will only take a signal that is telling us to buy if our price is above our 200 EMA. So if it is above the 200 EMA and we see a buy signal, we will take the signal. Our stop loss will be below any low that is close by, and our take profit will be times 2.5. So we are aiming for 2 times or 2.5. Now if our price is below the 200 EMA and we see a sell signal such as this, we will take it. but in this particular one the price is above. So if we see a sell signal when price is above the EMA 200 EMA, we are not going to sell the market. We will only sell if the price is below. Now there are times that when price is crossing over, it can touch the line. Anytime it touches the line, the candles are touching the 200 EMA, we are not going to take anything. So any signal we see there, we will not take until a decision is made whether the price will cross over below or above the EMA. And we must see that price is away from the EMA completely. So having known that, I am going to play it, and anytime we see a down arrow again, we will take our sell because our price is below the 200 EMA. So let us play and continue. You can see that there is a buy signal here. However, based on our strategy of the super trend indicator, combining it with the 200 EMA, we are not going to take this buy. Price is below the 200 EMA. Now one may say, why are we not taking this? This price is far away from our 200 EMA. I want something that is a bit close to the 200 EMA. So if price is far away, that is another reason for you to discard that signal that you see. So we will go on until we see something a bit close to our EMA. So we can see that the EMA has dropped below and we are seeing a sell signal here. So we have a sell signal. If I'm to enlarge this for you, our arrow is telling us to sell. So I am going to take a sell here. So I will short the market and our stop loss will be, this is the immediate high. So we are aiming for 2 or 2.5 depending on how the market gives us. So we can see that for this particular one, we were able to hit our TP with a risk to reward of 2.1. So let us go on. Price has now crossed over and we did not get any signal for us to buy. The only one that triggered was this, but it was below our EMA, so we are not taking it. We have a sell signal, but now price has crossed over to the upside, so we are not taking the sell signal again. So price is above our 200 EMA and we have a buy signal. Now one thing that I usually do is anytime that you see price breaks above and there is a neckline like a wick, I wait for the price around that level for a buy. So I am going to wait for the price around this particular neckline. You set your buy order around that side and then your stop loss will be below here. So we are going to wait for price because it pulled up with speed, so you may not catch that move. You have to wait for a retracement and we will be aiming for 1 to 2 in this trade. So let us play and see how it will go. So price will take you in exactly around this neckline and let's see how it will play out. So we have another buy signal here, as we can see it. Let me enlarge it. This is another. So I am adding position around this side. This is the neckline where it was broken. You can wait for price around that side again, set your stop loss below and you aim for 1 to ratio 2. 1 to ratio 2. So let us go on. So we can see that price ended up giving us 2.1 here and 2.6 around this side. So we are going to wait if we will have another signal if price should drop below here. So let us go on. So we have a sell signal, but price is above our 200 EMA, so we are not taking it. We have a buy signal, but it's far away. So you can see this is one thing with it again. You can see several signals are being given here and the market is ranging. So in such an instance, even with the buy signal is far away, you can't take this because you need it to be close to your 200 EMA. That way you will risk less and it will give you more reward than taking it at the top here. So you see, this is not the kind of market condition in a ranging market. Remember, it is a super trend indicator. So this super trend indicator will only work if the market is trending. So you avoid a ranging market. We have a sell signal here, and this is the neckline that was broken. So you can wait for price around that level and you will sell to the downside. You aim for 1 to 2 or 2.5. So price took us in, almost taking our stop loss, but did not. And we have it around here. This was where, so you can see with just these strategies, we are able to win a lot of trades. And of course, there could be some losses using this, but the 200 EMA will increase your success rate of using the super trend indicator strategy for your day trading. Whether it is crypto or you are dealing with Forex, this is super effective, just as the name is, especially when it is combined with the 200 EMA. So if you have any other question, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.